Today we will try to understand how seasons on earth will change in the coming future. Means currently we have spring in March, current era, means CE, current era, CE or common era. When we will refer to the past, it will be BCE, before common era, which was known as BC, before Christ. And for current era it was AD, means Anno Domini, in the year of the Lord. But nowadays calendars or universal following is BCE, means before current era, and CE means current era or common era. So how seasons will change on earth in future 1000 years, and what were the seasons on earth in the past, say for 10,000 years. Seasons on earth are based directly on Milankovitch cycle. It is a very complicated cycle, and that is not the topic today. So just remember that seasons on earth in the past and in the future depend upon the Milankovitch cycle, a very great Russian scientist. Milankovitch cycle is of roughly 4 years, divided into 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 4 years. Then 1 year is further divided into 25,000, 25,000, 25,000, 25,000. This is approximate. Details are very complicated. I am trying to keep it simple. So currently means, say today is 2021. So approximately I will say 2000 CE, current era or common era. So now we have spring equinox in March, then summer solstice in June, autumn equinox in September, and winter solstice in December. Roughly means it covers astronomical and meteorological calendar. Meteorological calendar begins usually in the first week of the month, whatever month, and astrological calendar is in the astrological or astronomical calendar is in the last week of the month, whatever month. So listen carefully, this is a period of thousands of years, and roughly it is a cycle for precession of equinox. The cycle is for 26,000 years, 25 to 26,000 years. There is another thing, obliquity, means angle with which the earth is tilted. It is from 21 degrees to 24 degrees approximately, and from 21 to 24 degrees to cover that obliquity it requires roughly 21,000 years. So from minimum to maximum 21,000, from 24 to 21,000. So it means around 42,000 years full cycle, minimum to minimum, maximum to maximum. Minimum to max is 21,000. Sometimes it can be 20,000 also, because these vector movements are very complicated. So how and when seasons will change in the future? Now supposing 2000 CE is on. CE means current era or common era. And we have spring equinox in March. Okay. So as we go ahead, say for plus 6000 years, that is 2 plus 6 is 8000 years, 8000 CE. Spring equinox will go ahead by 3 months and it will be in June. Okay. Now from 8000 plus 6, that is 14,000 CE. Spring equinox will go in September. Yeah, that is true. It is complicated, but it is true. 14,000 CE means current era or common era. Means current calendar, Christian calendar or English calendar which we follow. 14,000 plus 6,000, that is 20,000 CE, current era or common era, which previously we would have called Anno Domini, AD 20,000. Okay. So in 20,000, spring equinox will happen in December, and plus 6 years, it will keep on going ahead by 3 months, that is 26,000 CE or AD 26,000. Spring equinox will again happen in March, right? So similarly, when we go back means currently it was BC, before Christ. Now it is BCE, that means before current era or common era. So that thing, mathematics is simple. While we are going for CE, we are going ahead by 3 months. When we will go back, BCE, before current era, we will have to go back by 3 months for every 6,000 years. Okay. So it is simple. It is cyclic. This will keep on repeating for precession of equinox and obliquity, which I already said. Precession of equinox is 26,000 years cycle and obliquity is 121 degrees to 24 degrees. For 1 degree movement, it takes 7,000 years for change of obliquity. Now we are in 23.45 degrees and it will go on reducing now, from 23, then 22 and 21. But for 1 degree obliquity change, approximately 7,000 years will be required. So Milankovitch cycle is very complicated and it decides how our seasons will progress in the future and what were the seasons in the past. But cyclically it can be very simple. For example, 2000 CE and 22,000 BCE seasons will be same. See, 2000 CE means current era and 22,000 BCE means before current or common era. Seasons will be same. Similarly, 8000 CE and 16,000 BCE seasons will be same, means in the same months. See, many times you can see calendars also repeat, means in June month they will have same date, same day for that date, right? So same day and same date in that same month, calendars also repeat. There is mathematics in that. Then for 14,000 CE and 10,000 BCE, seasons will be same, right? And 20,000 CE and 4000 BCE, seasons will be same. Correct? So 2, 22, 8, 16, 14, 10, 20, 4. 20/4. CE BCE, seasons will be, spring will be for 2 March, it is 3, 6, 9, 12 and 3. So in March, first spring equinox, after 6000 years in June, and after 6000 years in September, and after 6000 years in December, and again say after 6000 years in March, and the cycle continues. So for any type of anthropological data or any type of archaeological data, and especially if you are considering ice ages, different types of ice age, as I had said, currently we are in the quaternary period, which is lasting for 2.58 million years. In that we are in the Holocene age, which is currently on. Okay. So ice ages, how they are formed, when they are formed, how much warm or how much cool the earth will be, is defined by the Milankovitch cycle. Here I am just trying to explain the change of seasons, because many people think that whatever seasons are going on now, say for in 2021, for thousands or 10,000 years, same seasons will come in the same month. No, that is not the case. As I said, in a simple manner, when we go ahead in future, for every 6000 years, our spring equinox will go ahead, or all seasons, means spring, summer, autumn, winter, all seasons in future, for every 6000 years, they will go ahead by 3 months. And in the past, means previously BC and now BCE, in the past it will go back for every 6000 years. For every 6000 years in the past, it will go back by 3 months. Okay, simple. So this is a thumb rule. These are approximations, but a simple thumb rule to remember how seasons will change in the future and which seasons were there in the past. So seasonal changes are there. Many people say nowadays कि seasons have changed, summers have become too hot, rainy season is behaving awkwardly, because there is a shift of season. This shift is very slow, because see 6000 years time, it will shift by 3 months. So the shifting is very slow, and this depends upon the Milankovitch cycle. It is very complicated, that cycle, to explain in one simple lecture. I will try, but today you just remember that how seasons will change in the future. For every 6000 years, our seasons will go ahead by 3 months. And in the past, for every 6000 years, our seasons will go back by 3 months. Simple. Okay.